The game has changed. When the Polaris RZR Turbo R first landed, it redefined what a turbocharged UTV could be. Massive travel, a 74-inch stance, and a proven 181 horsepower. It was the sweet spot, the ultimate wide-open weapon. But that was then. Now, with its own Pro R sibling packing a 225 horsepower naturally aspirated engine, and the Can-Am Maverick R throwing down a staggering 240 horsepower, the question is not just, is the Turbo R good? The question is it still the one you should buy? We took the RZR Turbo R out to the wide-open desert to find out if this refined, battle-tested chassis can still dominate the high-speed battlefield. Let's start with the power. The Turbo R runs on the legendary 925cc parallel-twin turbocharged engine, producing a confident 181 horsepower. While it gives up some peak numbers to the new Kings, its power delivery is where it shines. It's smoother and more manageable than its naturally aspirated brother. Unlike the Pro R's high-revving, big-bore four-cylinder, the Turbo R's boost is almost instant and linear. When you're running wide open across a wash or climbing a dune, that immediate usable torque makes you feel invincible. The belt-driven PVT automatic transmission keeps you in the sweet spot, allowing you to focus purely on the line. It's a proven, reliable and thrilling power plant that encourages a full-send attitude without demanding peak performance numbers. This is the true soul of the Turbo R, its chassis and suspension. Polaris built the Turbo R on their MaxLink suspension architecture. What does that mean for wide-open riding? You get an enormous amount of travel, over 22 inches both front and rear. This is the foundation for high-speed stability. But the magic is in the DYNAMIX DV system, especially on the ultimate trim. The Fox 3 Live Valve X2 shocks constantly adjust compression and rebound, on the fly, independently at each corner. Inside the cockpit, the Turbo R provides what you need for a long day of high-speed punishment. The seats are well bolstered, and the retractable 6-point harness, on ultimate trim, is a crucial safety and comfort feature for hard driving. The ride command system, displayed on the 7-inch glove-touch screen, remains a massive Polaris advantage. Integrated GPS, group ride tracking, and vehicle metrics, it's the best infotainment available in the UTV world. The one trade-off we noticed on the Turbo R is its lower gearing for technical crawling. While great for slow-speed rock sections, it can cause the belt to heat up faster if you're constantly feathering the throttle. But again, for wide-open UTV use, this machine is about sustained high-speed comfort, and the interior delivers. So does the Polaris RZR Turbo R remain the best wide-open UTV? It is no longer the most powerful, but it is still arguably the most confidence-inspiring machine in the segment. It has a proven, reliable turbo engine, suspension that actively manages itself better than almost anything else, and the perfect blend of stability and agility.